I am Rajesh Prajapati, founder of Sakshi Placement Ankleshwar. Sakshi Placement was started in 2013. Now we are ISO 9001 2015 certified placement. We work in GIDC area like Ankleshwar, Panoli, Jhagadia, Dahej, Vadra, all GIDC area near Bharuch district. We provide job to all department like electrical, mechanical, production, QC, R&D. We also provide job to candidates BSc, MSc, BCom, BBA, all ITI, all diploma, all BE and MBA. We also provide job to female candidate for free because we believe in Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao slogan. My office is located in F46 Silver Plaza near Pratin Chokdi GIDC Ankleshwar. My mobile number is 98793408000. You can contact for all department job. My email ID is sakshiplacement@gmail.com. You will share your CV. Thank you.